Welcome to J&J's test video of SXCE337. This is a 204,000 mile C5 Corvette, 1999. Was a trade-in. Steering's a little tight, just some random stuff. Tires are bald, all that. Runs nice. We'll leak down everything. Power steering pump sounds a little weak. But got a good body on it. We'll give you a little drive. Show you what we got. Holding some oil pressure. Gauge might be. Come on. 202,462. Tires are a little flat. Brakes still work. No ABS light on. Woo. All right. My tires are flat. I know. Doors are locking out. Let's check. I don't know if I can test the mirror since the switch is broken. Oh, there it goes. Alright, that's about it. As always, thank you for watching. It's just fanciness. Broken switch action. As always, thanks for watching. Have your pets spayed and neutered. Oh, got to give it a little throttle. A little bonus at the end. Not too bad for 204.